Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Today we are going alien hunting. I have got these awesome things, the Treasure X aliens, and we get to actually dissect the aliens and perhaps find gems. Like, will you find the gem? Save me, I'm inside. Oh, hold on. Save me, I'm inside the alien. Okay, so there is someone inside the alien. Discover treasure hunter, weapon, okay, so there are lots of things to do here, but seriously, we've got aliens here that we get to cut open. And I've got 3 of them, and look at them, they've all got these different faces, and look at this one. Okay, all right, this is very exciting. Who should we start with? Let's start with this blue dude. Okay. Alright, I have taken off the plastic external wrapping, which gives me, things to fall out. So, begin your mission 1, cut along the danger line. 2, find the map and remove the alien. Right, our mission has begun. So we have this thing with a serrated edge and a hook and some little pointy edge tweezers there, and we need to cut along the danger line. Well, this says danger line, so this is the danger line. So let's cut here. Thankfully it is serrated, so that's going to give us a bit of a help. Well, this is fun already. I love cutting things. Oh my goodness. Okay, around we go, and I'm just going to rip this now because I'm losing patience. I have a short attention span. Alright, and let's see if I can get no, okay, he's not coming out yet. So maybe we'll investigate the bottom of the package, which has got... It's got an ooze container for you to store your ooze. Oh my goodness, I love that word, ooze. And if I can get this open, it's going to store our ooze very securely because it's nice and tight. Good. Okay, so the ooze container. We'll find the ooze later to store in that. Let's have a look in our brochure here. So our mission is galactic treasure hunters have been eaten by aliens during their search for powerful gems, the most valuable treasure in the universe. Dissect the aliens, save the treasure hunter, and discover their amazing treasures from around the galaxy. Ooh, glow-in-the-dark galaxy trackers, deep-sea rogues, cosmic clouds. I have no idea what these things are, but I assume we're going to find them. Ooh, did you know you could find a real gem, a peridot gem, some of which have been found in meteorites, so your real gem could actually be from outer space. Okay, moon miners and cosmic knights and cosmic commanders, and on the other side, is a good list of instructions. I like me some instructions, but let's get this alien out here so that we can start cutting it open. This is disgusting. Honestly, this kind of looks like an overgrown maggot with enormous teeth. I assume it's going to get even more disgusting though, so I'm very excited. So let me see. Squeeze head. Fill head with ooze. Oh, hold on, wrong way around. Let's fill it with ooze first and then squeeze it. And another instruction over here, cut here. Alright then. Alrighty then. We get to cut into the alien. Here's its head. Let's pull its head off first. So this pops open. We can shove the ooze in here, squeeze it out. Good, but I haven't found the ooze yet. So let's keep looking. Actually, let's take all these instructions off. I don't need instructions. I really do need instructions, but I've read them, so I should be okay. Okay, right. There are things inside him. Let's put him down here on my dissection table, and let's cut along our line with our provided serrated tool. Okay, this is fun. Oh, little alien, what's inside your belly? This is just a little bit morbid, actually. Let's see if I can keep going around here. Oh, this is hard around here. Okay, you know what? I'm giving up and I'm just ripping. The top bit's enough to cut, I think. Now we can just rip its stomach open. Oh, look at that! Here's where all the goo is, and hopefully an alien treasure hunter and a ribcage, which we have broken while we were trying to cut in. And here is his innards, a sack of goo. And we can cut this open. There's nothing else in here. Nope, we have very cleanly removed all of this alien's innards. So let's use our ooze container to squeeze all of the inside, the stomach contents of this alien into, and that's awesome. Oh my goodness, look at all that goo. Alright, or ooze. It's oozing everywhere. Right, so what do we have in here? We've got, what body part is this? Is that like the heart or the lungs or just some sort of random sticking to my fingers? Some sort of random inside thing. We'll use the tweezers to dig through the rest. Let's get out this what looks like the treasure hunter's guns there. Alright, come on, I'm just giving up on the tweezers because I just want to get my fingers into this goo. Alright, dig through, rescue the weapon of the treasure hunter. And let's see, here's the treasure hunter. Let's release him from his prison of goo. Oh, wow, he's colourful. He's pretty treasure hunter. He's awesome. Okay, buddy, we have released you from the goo. You know, thank you would be nice. He's not saying anything. I think he might be a bit horrified by spending some time inside an alien. What else is in here? That's, gross. What is that? It's, ew. It's squishy and sticky. It's like a brain sucker. Oh, it is actually sticky. Oh, that's revolting. Okay, so we get to bring ourselves home some alien parasites as well. Ew, that's just totally ew. Is there anything else in this goo? No. I just need to check though. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Right, let's move the goo over and let's rip open this body part, these intestines, heart, stomach, lungs, whatever this is, and see what else this alien has swallowed. This is our little secret. It's a very secret thing because I don't know what it is. Let's grab my brochure and have a look. So, on this side, we've got a whole heap of things to give us an idea. Well, it's definitely not the peridote because it's not like a green gem thing. Maybe it's on this side. Oh, this side's got our critters. So a critter 1 looks like our... Oh, that is sticky. That's so disgusting. Ugh. Oh, that's disgusting and cool. All right. So sticky. Oh. But look at this. We have rescued a super duper rare guy, Sergeant Stun. He glows in the dark too. I knew he was pretty for a reason. Super rare. Wow. Well, that was a cool way to start. Okay, so he's got some unidentifiable treasury thing from the stomach. He's got his weapon, which he can put in his hand. But, you know, he could kind of put that down again because he doesn't need to point that at anybody. He's already got himself in enough trouble. And we can, we can just... I feel a bit sorry for the alien now, but let's rip its head off and let's fill it with ooze, shall we? Let's get all this goo, stick it in, find out what happens. This is really, really, really gross and so good. Okay, all right, so ready and squeeze. Oh, it's coming out like from its tear ducts and from between its teeth. It's like I'm pulling on its snot. Oh, it's alien boogers everywhere. Oh, wow. I think this alien needs some antibiotics. I think he's infected. Oh, ew. That's a terrible sinus infection that he's got. This is great. All right, next one. Let's open up the next alien. Get our little cuttery thing out. And let's cut around the danger line. We're going in. We are going in, guys. Let's release the alien. Oh, just slipped out there. We got our map, well, our instructions, and we've got our alien. This guy here is already oozing from his mouth. It's all squishy, his head squishy. That'll teach you to swallow the treasure hunters. We'll squeeze your head. We'll take the instructions off too. Put your head back on. And let's put you... Yeah, see? That's what I did to your friend. So it's your turn now. Onto the dissecting table. And let's cut you open. This is really fun. We'll put you around this way so I've got a better grip. Oh my goodness, this is really satisfying. Oh, we're cutting open an alien. What did you do today? I'll cut open some aliens. No biggie. We'll rip his stomach off. Oh, and break out his ribs, his breastbone, and crack. There we go. I'll teach you for eating the treasure hunters. I think this time we might, just for fun, we might, I'll try cutting this. I can't cut that. Okay, that's not cutting at all. There's no serration in there so that it doesn't actually leak out. So I might need some real scissors for that. So I'll get that for the next one. I think for this one, I'm going to take all the goo out and then shove it back in. Let's do that, and then we'll dig in. So we'll release the goo. That's just so gross. That's just so ill. And we'll stick it back in his stomach. There you go. See, this is proper surgery. This is what surgeons do all the time. They don't. They're qualified. I'm not qualified. So now his goo is all back in. Now we'll pull it out. Okay, bit by bit. Who is in here? This is so gross. We're pulling through the ooze again. We are releasing who got himself eaten by an alien, hey? I told you not to go treasure hunting with the aliens, but no, you wouldn't listen, would you? And then I had to come and rescue you, and now you're covered in goo. And that's what happens. There are consequences to all actions. So who is this fellow? This is, it is Lord Vislot. Vislot? I don't know. I probably should have learned his name, but he wasn't listening to me, so I don't need to learn his name. His weapon is in here too. Looks like it might be a battle mace. Let's dig in here. It's pretty. It's covered in goo. It's lucky it didn't rust, in amongst all of this goo. This is so fun digging it all out of the alien's innards. You okay, alien? Yeah, you look okay. Okay, so battle mace thing. Very, very pretty. It's like decorated in gold. How much do these alien treasure hunters make? It must be a really lucrative business. Some more ooze. There's nothing in that bit. Let's dig around. Oh, the critter fell out. Here's the sticky little space parasite. That one, yeah, you wouldn't want to wake up and discover that one sucking onto your eyeball. We'll make sure we put that one in a jar when we get home. Oh, there is just ooze everywhere. Okay, let's cut open his large intestines, his lungs, stomach, whatever it is here that contains the special valuable thing. Is it the peridot? Will we get a beautiful green space gem? I don't know, because I can't rip that open. This one's double bagged. Extra security. You are trying to thwart me, alien, but you will not be able to. I can open this. What have we got in? Is it in there? No. Is it? Oh, see, double bagging. There's bags everywhere. Oh, it's not a peridot. It is something that we're going to look up. It's the Eye of Infinity. The Eye of Infinity. Well, that will come in handy. Oh, actually, maybe all the infinity drops out if we don't put it up the right way. Let's make sure it's up the right way. Dropped it anyway. Oh, here's the one I lost. Our space station. Why didn't I see that before? I think my thumb might have been over it. Okay, so we have dissected 2 aliens. Let's put some ooze in this one's head. And then let's squeeze him until it comes out of all of his orifices. Here we go. Oh, there's some still stuck to my hand. All right. Okay, squeeze. And this is coming out everywhere. Oh, this one's coming up between his teeth. Look, alien guy, didn't want to say anything, but you've got something in your teeth. I think you should go and clean them. Okay. He looks disgusting, but we've cut him open and ripped his head off, so let's open the third one! Yay! Okay, let's cut into the danger line. Let's cut, and then we'll rip. Actually, I'm doing quite well at cutting all the way around with this one. We'll rip the last bit, take our ooze container out to save our slime for later, and let's get our alien out of its little pod. It's like it's been put in stasis to bring it back to Earth. Ooh, now he's not in stasis anymore. Let's cut him open. All right, here we go. Cutting along the line. I feel as though we should possibly be hearing the alien scream. Maybe he's screaming internally and we just can't hear him. I don't know. Right, let's rip this open. Whoa, there we go. I ripped his head off at the same time. So not qualified to do this. We're not doing this very carefully. Okay, this time, let's cut into this bag and dig out directly from inside the alien in the bag. This is the way I think it's designed to be done, but we can do it all those different ways. So much fun. Okay, all right, what have you got in here? I hear you've been swallowing alien treasure hunters. That's not on my watch. So I'm ripping out your intestines and all your goop. See, this bit? I'm taking this bit. This bit's coming out. Wonder what's in here. Oh, I didn't notice the question mark on that before. Too busy playing with all the slime. Let's open this one up. Let's see. I'm so excited to see whether we might actually get a real space gem. Oh no, we've got something else. Oh, I think this one glows in the dark too. I think this is the wanted poster. All right, let's keep digging. Who is in here? Digging through the goo. Oh, there's okay, there's our third critter. It's a different one too. Oh, it's just as disgusting as the others, but in its own special way. Check this out, look. See, different to this one. They're all purple, they're all sticky, but they're all different. The first one really looks like a brain sucker. It's gross. Okay, let's keep digging. I know there's a treasure hunter in here somewhere. We'll pull him out by his leg. It's he's covered in all of the ooze. He's going to need some serious decontamination after this. Oh, there we go. We're starting to get some of the ooze off. We're breaking him free of the alien. Oh, it's everywhere. It is everywhere. Okay, it's stuck to my fingers. Let's see who we've rescued today. This is Heister? Heister from the Galaxy Trackers. Okay. All right. No thanks from you. Nope, they are entirely unappreciative, these guys. Here, look. See, I'm even removing more ooze from you, and I'll even get your weapon out. It's in here. So coated in alien gunk. Oh, that's gross. There we go. I think we can pull this out now, because I think that we have pulled everything out. Kind of looks like an empty cocoon after the moth has hatched. Hold on, is a cocoon for a moth? I think it is. All right, so let's put this into his head. We'll get as much goo as we can so we can squeeze it out, because this is our last one. We'll make it as spectacular as possible. We'll see if we can make the ooze go everywhere. We will make it ooze everywhere. Shove it all in. How much can we fit? It's actually the perfect amount to fit the head. Just get off my fingers. Get off. Alright, I think we've got as much as I can fit in there. This one's got like the weird little purple goatee. Alright, looks like a genie. Oh, it's coming out of the middle, and oh. We can just keep pulling it. It's coming out of his nostril, he thinks, too, out of the middle. And I could just keep pulling it. Oh, alright, that is disgusting. Okay, alright, but we have rescued 3 treasure hunters, so our job here, our mission, our objective has actually been completed, but we can actually store now our ooze here in our ooze storage container, or we can set it all up again. Which one of you didn't say thank you? This one here. We can put the treasure hunters back in the ooze, because they were not grateful enough for being rescued, and we can shove them back inside the aliens. And we can do it all over again. We can even put the rib cage back in here. Can just notch it in up there. Lovely, look at that. It's as though you've never had your tummy all cut open. I wonder if I can squeeze it out through the holes in the rib cage. I think I'd need to take out that little plastic casing thing at the back. But I reckon I could do that. I could squeeze the belly and make it come out. Okay, alright. So we have rescued the treasure hunters, except for the one that I made go back inside the aliens. So we are done for today, which is awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out my other videos. And I will see you with a new one very soon. Bye!